Hello students, welcome to RAO'S maths class. Today we'll solve this sets question, which is very important question in 10th class public examination. That is on the basic operations on sets. See the question. If A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, D is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, then find A union B, B intersection D, C intersection D, and fourth one is D minus A. So, how to solve this question? You see, this is the solution. Here, what was given here? A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. First one I am doing A union B. A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union 1, 3, 5, and 7. This is called, the symbol is called union. The symbol is called union. How you will do this A union B? Is nothing but simply A union B is nothing but writing all the elements of A and B. See, and the one condition is in the set the element should not be repeated. So, what is the result you will get here? Writing all the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, 3 is already written here, so not required to write again. 5 again not required to write again because it is repeated here. 7. So you get this one. In this way you can leave the answer, no problem, you get the marks, or you can write in the order, sequential order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is the answer for A union B. Nothing but writing all the elements of both A and B, both sets, and the thing is that element should not be repeated. Next is B intersection D. B intersection D. B intersection D means B is 1, 3, 5, 7. Intersection D is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, and 7. This symbol is called intersection. Intersection. How you will do this problem? B intersection, you have to write intersection means you have to write all the common elements of both the sets. You have to write the common elements of both the sets. So what are the common elements available here? 1 is not available here. 3 is available. So 3 is a one element. 5 is available. 7 is also available. That's all. So this is the, you have to write intersection means you have to write only the common elements of both these sets. 3, 5, 7. This is the answer for this question. Next one, pause the video to note it down. Pause the video to note it down. Next is B intersection D. Finish it. Now next is C intersection D. Next is third one is C intersection D. C intersection D. C intersection D means how you will get it here. C is 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection D is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, and 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. What I have told you in the intersection means you have to write only the common elements available in both the sets. See here, 2 is common for both the sets. 2, 4 is not available, 6 is not available. So only one element is available. That is 2 is the only one element available in both the sets. This is the answer. Fourth one is D minus A. D means 2, 3, 5, 7. Minus A means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called the difference. This is called the difference. Difference means you have to write the elements belonging to set D and does not belong to set A. See, D minus A means you have to write the elements belonging to set D and does not belong to set A. So, see here, this is 2 and 2 get cancelled because both are available. 3, 3, 5, 5. So, only one element is available. So, now this is 7. So, you have to, D minus A, difference what you have to do? D minus A means you have to write the elements belong to set D and does not belongs to set A. That is called D minus A. Pause the video to note it down. We will go to the next question. This is one question. We will go for the next question. Next question is A is equal to X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. B is equal to X such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number. C is equal to X such that X is an odd natural number. Is an odd natural number. D is equal to X such that X is a prime number. Is a prime number. Find A union B, B intersection D, A minus C. Number fourth one is B minus A. This is the question. So, for this type of questions, because you have to write, this was not given, the elements were not given. It was given in a set builder form. So, for all these things, you have to write down the elements first. Before writing the elements, you have to understand some basic concepts which you have already studied in your lower classes. What are natural numbers? What are even numbers? What are odd numbers? What are prime numbers? And what are multiples? What are factors? These are things you have to understand because these things will be coming into the set builder form every time. So it was repeated in the question, repeated in the papers. So you have to understand the basics of this one. So natural number solution. Before doing this solution, just to understand what is a natural number. Natural number. How you write the natural numbers? Natural numbers means these are the set consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. These are called the natural numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers means the numbers which is divisible by 2 are called as even numbers, or the multiples of 2 are even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. All even numbers. What are odd numbers? Numbers which are not divisible by 2 means like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And prime number. Prime number. Prime numbers means the numbers which are having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called as prime numbers. Only two factors. Prime numbers are numbers having only two factors. The number 1 and the number itself are called as prime numbers. So, prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. They are all prime numbers. So, and what are multiples? You have to understand these definitions clearly. Multiples means, what are multiples? So, multiples of 2 means how you write? Multiples of 2. How you will write? 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Like these are all multiples of 2. Means multiple of what you will write it here? Second multiples of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. These are all multiples of 2. For example, multiples of 5, how you will write down? Multiples of 5. How you will write down? 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20, so on. This is the way you will write the multiples of 5. So, how you will write the factors? How you will write the factors? For example, how you will write the factors of 8? Example, if I ask you factors of it, how you will write down? So, factor of it means what is a factor? If you, for example, 8 is there. If you divide 8 with 2, what will you get it? 2 4s are 8. So, remainder is 0. Then we will say that 2 is a factor of 8. So, when you are getting a remainder 0, then you will call it as a factor. So, if you take it 3 with 8, 3 2s are 6. So, remainder 2. So, 3 is not a factor of 8. So, factors of 8, how you will write down here? If you take it from 1 8 are 8. So, remainder is 0. 2 8. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 0. 3 means 3 2s are 6. You are having a remainder 2. 4 means if you take it 8. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 0. 5 means 8 means 5 1s are 5. Remainder is 3. 6. 8 means 6 1s are 6. Remainder is 2. 7 means 7 1s are 7. Remainder is 1. 8 means 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 0. So, factors of 8, what you will tell? What are the numbers you are getting 0 here? Remainder 0. 1. Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, because remainder 0. 3 is not a factor because remainder you are getting remainder as 2. 4 because you are getting a remainder 0. 5 because you are getting a remainder 3, so it is not a factor. 6 is not a factor because you are having remainder. 7 is not a factor because you are having remainder. 8 is a factor because you are having a remainder 0. So 1, 2, 4, 8 are called are the factors of 8. This is the way you will write the factors of any given number. So I hope you understand this basic concepts. This which you have already studied in your lower classes. So now coming to this question, what was given here? A is equal to x such that x is a natural number. B is x such that x is an even natural number. C is equal to x such that x is a odd natural number. D is equal to x such that x is a prime number. find A union B, B intersection D, A minus C, B minus C is the question given. So first one you write down here. A is equal to what was given here? X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. This was given in the set builder form. So you have to convert it into the roster form because you have to get the elements here. So how you will get it here? Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. B is equal to X such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number. How you will get it the roster form? Because even numbers, what you will get it here? Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. These are all the elements of set B. C is equal to what was given? X such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. So how you will get it here? The elements, because what are odd numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called, not divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And D is equal to X such that X is a prime number. What is the prime number? What I told you clearly? Prime number is number having only 2 factors. Number 1 and the number itself. Those are called as prime. What are prime numbers having? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. So these are the elements written here for all the 4 sets A, B, C, D. Now first question is A union B. A union B. How you write it here? A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Union B is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So A in what I told you for the union, you have to write all the elements of both the sets A and B, and the element should not be repeated. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 2 is repeated, 4 is repeated, 6 is, so you get it here. This is the set, you get it. So what is the A union means? What you have to write it down? So you have to write both the elements of A and B sets, and the element should not be repeated. Second one is B intersection D. B intersection D. B is, what are the B elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Intersection D is 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. What is intersection? What I told you in the intersection, you have to write only the common elements of both the sets. Here, what are the common elements available? 2 is only the common element available in both the sets. So, this is the B intersection D. You are having only one element 2. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Next is, third question is A minus C. A minus C. How you write down here? A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Minus C means 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So what you have write down? Difference what I told you for the difference. The elements which belongs to A and does not belongs to C. Those are the elements you have to write it down here. A minus C means what you have to write? The elements which belongs to A and does not belongs to C. So what are this one? 1, 1 get cancelled. 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7. So what are the elements available here? 2, 4, 6, so on. So fourth one is B minus A. B minus A. B are, what are the elements of B? B is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Minus A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So what you have to write down here? B minus A means you have to write the elements of elements which belongs to set B and does not belongs to A. Means you have to cancel this one. 2, 2, 4, 4. Here also you get it here 6, 7, 8, so on. So 6 get cancelled. 8, 8. So the no elements belong to B here now. So you get a empty set. Clear? So this is the way you have to solve this question. So the basic concept you have to understand. These are 6 basic you have to understand. Natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, factors, and factors are not given here. But sometimes they may ask in the question factors of 5, factors of 6, factors of 12, like that they may ask in the question. So that's the reason why I explained the factors and multiples also. So I hope you clearly understood this question. Thank you.